through. Is this going to be an easy time or a bad time? Oh, not too bad. There we go. There we go. That's my finger. I thought I'd do a little video of what we've been going through. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You going to show me how you bite my finger? Hmm? Yeah. This lip's been rather unwell due to a mishap laying an egg. I've been having to administer meds a couple times a day. What else do you got? It's not an easy thing to do with a little bird. It's rather intimidating. Oh, just a little more. Almost done. There we go. I just gave her an antibiotic. She's getting a lot stronger than she has or was in the past week or so. Okay, still cool. Use the cloth. Well, number one, it keeps you from getting bit as much, but it's also to keep her pressed against your body. With the wings flapping around, you can really cause some harm to her, which we don't want to do. I have no idea how this video is going to look, or if you'll even see it. Let's see. I'm giving her calcium now. Okay. There you go. You're okay. So just hold her for a second and let her swallow it. She's making these little noises. You okay? You're okay. She's such a mess. Aren't you? You're such a mess. Let's see if I can get her to say. There's our little fighter there. She is getting better. Say hi. There you go. What the hell did Daddy do to me?